Honda today exhibited the world premiere of the EN2 concept, the concept model for the second set of its EN series models, the Honda brand EV model series in China, at the 5th China International Import Expo in Shanghai, China. The exterior design of the EN2 concept features sharp and dynamic body lines and surface finishing which highlights the metallic look, aiming to present new styling that does not belong to any existing categories. The interior was designed with an aim to realize the value of this EV as a space where occupants can enjoy intellectual exhilaration. To this end, a clean and uncluttered digital cockpit was adopted, and smart hospitality for the occupants will be offered with the latest Honda Connect features as well as the effective presentation of lighting and scents. As for driving performance, built on the EN Architecture F, a dedicated architecture developed exclusively for the EN series, the EN2 concept was designed to achieve unique driving pleasure. This was realized based on the dynamics technologies of Honda.